What's going on YouTube? Sergi here, welcome back to the channel. I've got a quick short little video here for you guys today, but I'm really excited to show you the brand new headlights that I got for the WRX. Now first I just want to show you the differences with the lights turned off. So for those of you who have been following the channel or the car for a little bit, you all know that I have the eBay black housing headlights for the WRX. A lot of you may already know that the base WRX and the premium WRX come with some hideous chrome housing headlights that look just absolutely awful. And the first modification that I did to the WRX was swap out those horrible chrome headlights for these black housing ones. Now they're not LED, so they don't have the STI LED, that C light that everyone always loves. A lot of people, they don't want to spend money getting the OEM STI headlights because they are pretty pricey, so they do go ahead and do like the aftermarket C light. So if you don't want to do either of that, if you just want to have black housing, you know, this is a good substitute. They're like $300 on eBay. They look really nice. They're not going to be LED though, so you would have to go ahead and do that modification. I did go ahead and pick up the STI headlights. These are going to be OEM, and right off the bat you can tell that the C light here is a lot more white and it's bigger, versus here it's a little more dull. So if you put them right here, you can go ahead and see the difference between the C lights. So it's a little bigger over here and it has a lot more of a wider area than right here. And then you can also see the difference right here. You don't have this on the other headlights, so watch this. Right here, there's a projector. You do have this, you don't have this. This is gonna be your daytime light. See, you just have your projector, and then you have your high beam right here. Now I picked these up. I picked these STI lights off eBay. I mean, you can find them for around $350, $400, somewhere around that. They look really good, and you're gonna go ahead and get that OEM C light look. A lot of people do go ahead and do the aftermarket C light, but I honestly, it just doesn't look the same as OEM. There's really not a better look than OEM, so that's why I wanted to go ahead and get the OEM headlight. And just look at how nice it looks. Looks really nice, and it's pretty obvious when you do go ahead and do that C light modification aftermarket. I know SubiSpeed has a lot of them on their website, but honestly the OEM look is just the absolute best look. Now the 2015 to 2017 STI headlights are going to be plug and play. You literally can just swap them out and they just plug right up. You don't have to do any wiring, splicing, none of that. Literally just plug and play, swap them out, you're good to go. 2018, 2019 STI lights will not work because they do have the adaptive steering or responsive steering, whatever it's called. So those will not work. It does have a different harness. So if you do want to go ahead and get STI headlights on your WRX, you do have to get the 15 to 17 headlights. So as you can see here, the ones from eBay, no C light, it just has this bulb. It honestly looks a lot better on camera, but in person it's literally just a bulb right here and it doesn't light up as much there. The camera picks it up like if it were kind of a C light, but it really doesn't look like that in person. So this is going to be how the full C light OEM looks like. Now let me go ahead and turn the headlights on. So the eBay headlight has a little bit more of a blue color to it. In the camera it looks white. It looks really, really white, but it honestly has a more blue color to it. The OEM light is gonna be like perfect white. It's gonna be like perfect 5K white. The eBay one with the aftermarket LED bulbs that I do have is about 6K, so it's kind of that white bluish type of look, but this is how it's gonna look with the lights on. So you can see you have the C light, you have the projector, and then you have here lighting up as well. Versus here, you're just gonna go ahead and have this and the projector. And then last thing is high beam. High beam is going to be the same, nothing special there. High beam will also be your daytime running light as well. So it's going to be the light that's always on when you're driving. But yeah, that's about it. If you guys have any questions, you know, definitely feel free to go ahead and ask in the comments down below, and I'll do my best to answer to all of you. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys the new headlights I got for the WRX. I think they look really good. I'm really happy with them. Honestly, it looks kind of stupid right now driving with one headlight like that and the other one, two different headlights. The other one that I actually ordered did not work, so I have to return it. But good news is that I do have another one coming in on Wednesday that I'll be installing. And yeah, then I'll have both STI headlights and the car's gonna look so nice. Right there you can kind of see the different color that they have. Right here, this one looks like a little bit yellower, but this is actually like perfect white, and this one has like a whitish bluish color to it. But anyways, hope you guys like the way the new headlight looks. I'll do a little update once I get both on. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit the like and subscribe button down below. See you guys in the next one.